Welcome back to our PKI journey. We have discussed about the importance of digital trust. Now let us explore why it is so fundamental to our daily digital lives. Every day we implicitly rely on a profound level of digital trust, from checking our bank accounts to sending sensitive emails or simply browsing the web. But have you ever paused to think about how the trust is actually established and what happens when it breaks down? There are three critical questions that we are going to discuss. They represent fundamental challenges in cybersecurity that, without proper solutions, would make our digital world chaotic and insecure. As aspiring cybersecurity professionals or those deepening your knowledge, understanding the answers to these questions is absolutely vital for your career. Let us unpack each one. Starting with, how do you know the website you are visiting is genuine? Imagine you are logging into your online bank. How do you confirm that bankofamerica.com is truly Bank of America and not a sophisticated phishing site designed to steal your credentials? Without a mechanism for verifying a website's identity, every click would be a leap of faith. Think about the green padlock in your browser's address bar. This seemingly small detail is actually a giant security indicator. If you have ever encountered your connection is not private error, you have witnessed a breakdown in this trust mechanism. This often indicates a problem with the website's digital certificate, which PKI manages. Phishing attacks, where malicious actors mimic legitimate websites, thrive when users cannot easily verify authenticity. PKI provides that verification. As a security operations center analyst or incident responder, you will constantly deal with users asking if a link or website is safe. Understanding PKI's role in verifying website identity is your first line of defense here. You will be teaching users to look for that padlock and troubleshooting certificate warnings. What are some immediate dangers if you cannot trust a website's genuineness? Could be credential theft, malware downloads, or financial fraud. Next comes second question. How can you trust your online banking session has not been intercepted? Once you have confirmed the website is legitimate, how do you ensure that the sensitive data you are exchanging, like your account number, password, or transaction details, is not being secretly read or modified by someone else? This is the concept of man in the middle attack. Picture yourself at a coffee shop using public Wi Fi. Without robust encryption, a malicious actor on the same network could potentially listen in on your connection and steal your banking information. PKI enables the secure exchange of cryptographic keys that establish an encrypted tunnel between your browser and the bank's server, making your communication private and tamper proof. The padlock icon signifies not just authenticity but also a secure encrypted channel. For a network security engineer or penetration tester, understanding how man in the middle attacks are prevented by encryption and how PKI underpins that protection by ensuring key authenticity is critical. You will be responsible for configuring and auditing secure communication protocols that rely heavily on PKI. Next comes the last question, third one. How does your email stay confidential and authentic? As you can see, these are not isolated questions. They highlight the silent, complex systems working behind the scenes across various digital domains to keep our interactions safe and trustworthy. Without these systems, our digital economy and society would grind to a halt. The powerful unseen force, the foundational architecture that provides these crucial assurances, making secure digital interactions possible, is indeed public key infrastructure or PKI. It is the unifying technology that addresses all these essential questions you have seen on the screen and countless others. PKI is much more than just a certificate management system. It is the robust backbone that enables the core security principles we often discuss in cybersecurity. Authentication, proving identity like a website's genuineness, confidentiality, keeping data secret like encrypted banking sessions or emails, integrity, ensuring data has not been tampered with, for example, confirming an email's content, and non repudiation, proving an action was performed by a specific entity like a digitally signed contract. For anyone in a security role, from a security engineer designing systems, an IAM specialist managing digital identities, to an auditor verifying compliance, a deep understanding of how PKI delivers these guarantees is indispensable. This module will demystify PKI and show you exactly how it answers these essential questions, providing you with practical, career relevant knowledge you can apply immediately. So, next time you see that padlock or send an important email, remember the intricate dance of PKI happening behind the scenes, silently guarding your digital trust. Email, for all its convenience, is inherently insecure without additional layers of protection. How can you be sure that an email claiming to be from your CEO truly came from them and that its contents haven't been altered? Or if you send a highly confidential document via email, how can you ensure only the intended recipient can read it? Email impersonation is a massive problem leading to business email compromise and significant financial losses. Digital signatures powered by PKI allow recipients to verify the sender's identity and confirm that the email's content has not been tampered with since it was sent. Similarly, email encryption ensures that only the intended recipient holding the correct private key can decrypt and read the message, protecting confidentiality. This is crucial for compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA when exchanging sensitive data. For any professional handling sensitive data, a security architect designing systems, a data protection officer ensuring compliance, or an IT administrator managing email security solutions, PKI's role in enabling digital signatures for authenticity and encryption for confidentiality is paramount. This knowledge is essential for implementing secure communication strategies. Think about the legal implications of an unsigned or unencrypted email containing sensitive contractual information.